First, we need the toast rack. Hey up and welcome once again. Today, pork chops. Can you do pork chops in an air fryer? Let's find out. My plan was to stand them up in this, but it doesn't fit. However, I have a cunning plan. Grab my chops. Get our fryer and some sticks. The right size. Spread them out. Like that. And then in the old air fryer. So they're not touching. Like that. I have no idea if you can see that, but when you turn it on, it automatically comes up at 180 for 15 minutes, which we'll give that a go. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. While that's cooking, I want to do some mushrooms. Now I've got no idea if you can do mushrooms in a microwave, but we're going to find out. So, chop them up a bit, chop them up, chuck them in the microwave, see what happens. Have some mushrooms after 2 minutes. Grab some garlic. Give that a good sprinkle. And get some butter. Add it to it as well. And we'll put that back in when that's done for another minute. But we'll leave that for now. Halfway through, chops are looking lovely. Take them out, turn them over, chuck them back in. Can't just have chops and mushrooms. So some mushy peas. And in the microwave. Right, now to find out if they're cooked. I'd say they were cooked, but I'm going to put them back in again for another 5 minutes. When it comes to pork, you've got to make sure it's properly cooked. So, that's why it's gone back in, just in case. But I'd say it's cooked. Now, smash. When it comes to smashed, a little bit of pepper and sriracha. chops. Our mushrooms go in the microwave for 1 minute. Ta-da! And now it's time for that all-important taste test. Can you do pork chops in an air fryer? Still moist. It is cooked properly. Mmm. Mmm. Yes, you can. Mmm. That's lovely. Let's try the rest of it. Garlic mushrooms. You can do mushrooms in a microwave. Bonus. Mushy peas are just mushy peas. And our smash. You gotta have sriracha in your smash. It just brings it out. That is a meal for kings. Amazing. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it how I wanted in the toast rack, but we found a way around it. It worked out perfectly. If you've got a different sort to that, yeah, fine, do it whatever way. But a good cook air fryer, that worked out absolutely lovely. Slightly burny fingers, but that's part of cooking. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Ta-da! Just messy. Okay.